How to use Slack Workflow Builder to automate tasks. So for this here, you need to remember that you should actually have your web version of your Slack, or you can use the desktop application, right? So after doing that, now what are you going to do is simply tap on your workflow name right here, or the profile picture of your workflow right here. Then you'll be able to see all of your workspaces, right? So after doing that in here, like I said, if you do have a desktop version of Slack, there you'll be able to see the option of tools. All you need to do is tap on that one, and then you'll be able to see the option of workflow builder. Simply click on that one, then you'll be able to click on create a workflow and pick a trigger option, like for example, a new person joins the channel or a specific emoji reaction is added, right? So after doing that, add steps to your workflow sequence, like send an automated direct message or open a custom form, and then from there you can now customize the message templates. Then click on publish on the top right corner, and then from there you'll be able to use your Slack Workflow Builder in order to automate tasks to any of your team member or any of your workspace member. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.